Kia ora whānau, Tiare Tawera here with another epic workout for you guys. And as you can see, we have the books, we have the bag. Why? To add more resistance to our workout. But hey, you don't need to use the bag or books. It's only to add more resistance to also amplify our workout. Today's workout is going to be focusing on chest, back, biceps, and triceps. Nā rungai tērā, kia tīmata ki tātou. Okay, so once again, if you want to add more resistance, chuck the bag on and wear it throughout the workout, okay? Anywho, let's get into the workout. First up, we have lying lat pull downs. Go to the ground, whānau. What you want to do is stretch forward, come back, contract. Tahi. Stretch forward, come back, contract. Rua, okay? And this part here, it's really, we're trying to activate the upper lats as well as the lower lats as well. So you want to stretch forward and fully contract on the bottom, at the bottom, okay? Okay, next workout is incline push-ups. Okay, we're gonna make sure that we have a chair or a table, okay? When it comes to this side of the chair, something that's sort of at this level, and you wanna do, keep your arms shoulder width apart, come down nice and slow and push up. And with the incline push-up, you wanna focus on really trying to contract the lower part of the chest, okay? So you wanna come down nice and slow, push up and squeeze the lower part of the chest. Squeeze. Squeeze. Kapai. That is workout exercise number 2. Exercise number 3 is bag curls, okay? Let's grab the bag, okay? And you want to hold the bag like so, okay? And squeeze on the way out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kapai. And next up we have close stance push-ups, okay? With close stance push-ups, you want to sort of be just a little bit closer than shoulder width apart like so, okay? And once again, if you do struggle with press-ups, okay, go to your knees like so, okay? Go to your knees. It's absolutely fine, okay? But we're gonna go to this position, nice and slow, and squeeze on the way up, okay? Squeeze, 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 kapai. And with every workout, since we're now focused at training from home, we really want to make sure that we're really contracting the muscle. It's important that you have that mind to muscle connection. So with a press up motion, if you're working the pectoral muscles, you want to make sure you're squeezing the pectoral muscles. What tends to happen is when people do push-ups, they start activating the lats. They start activating their back instead of really trying to activate and focus on contracting the pectoral muscles. Next up is tricep overhead extensions. Kapai, overhead. Hold the bag like so, whānau. Okay, and with this motion here, you can have your elbows like so, and push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. Kapai, and that workout there is going to target your triceps, okay? Tricep overhead extensions. Next up is decline push-ups. Going to the side of the chair, okay? Decline push-ups once again. Like so, touch the ground, up, touch the ground, and once again, if you're struggling with press-ups, go to your knees and just perform a basic press-up like so, okay? So especially for our wahine, if you do want to make sure that you're really activating the pectorals effectively, make sure you drop to your knees if you are struggling to try push through with a basic push-up. So knees, give that a go, okay? Next up is the single arm rows. Single arm rows is like so, okay? Make sure you have a good grip on the bag. You come to the side here, okay? And go to the front and pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna go both sides. Once again, 1, 2. And with this motion here, as you can see, what you want to do is find a comfortable position on a bench, table, chair. You want to start on the front there and you want to pull as if you're pulling up to the belt buckle, okay? Full stretch in the lat, pull up and hold. 1, 2, 3. Kapai. And next up we have push-up shoulder taps, okay? Push-up shoulder taps. Once again, if you are struggling with press-ups, go to the knees, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. Next up we have our bag bench, we have bent over rows, sorry, bag bent over rows. Okay, so get a nice grip on the bag, I'm gonna bend over, and you want to pull to the upper chest, not to the lower abdomen. You want to pull to the upper chest to really focus on contracting the upper part of the back, as well as your lower traps as well. So squeeze up, down, bye. That's that exercise. Next up, we go into single bag curls, okay? Same as arm curls as we did before, but this time I'm going to do single arm curls. 1, 2, 3, change over. Same again. 1, 2, 3, and so forth. And last and not least is close stance incline push-ups. This right here, we're coming nice and close, just like the push-ups, but we're going to do incline. Reason why? We're focusing more on the triceps, not the chest. More of the triceps, okay? Here we go. Arms nice and close. Squeeze through the triceps. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once again, finally, that whole exercise there, you really want to make sure that you're contracting and pushing through the triceps. Anyway, without further ado, we're going to get into this workout, whānau, okay? The most difficult part is actually trying to get the bag on, okay? Nui te mātauranga oroto. Make sure it's nice and tight. 11 exercises throughout the session. 11 exercises, 20 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, only 2 rounds. Only 2 rounds. 11 exercises. Let's get it, whānau. 3, 2, 1, ka pai. Kua timata te wā, 30 seconds warm up. Okay, so while you're waiting there, let's quickly jog on the spot, okay? Jog on the spot. Jog on the spot. Jog on the spot. Ka pai. We've got 20 more seconds. Side jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jog on the spot. Jog on the spot. Jog on the spot. Okay. Line that pull downs. Let's go. Line that pull downs, whānau. Here we go. Whoop. 20 seconds, whānau. Let's go. Te kaha, whānau. Osa mahi. Let's go. There we go. Ko tangi te pere. 15 seconds rest. Then we're going to move into incline push-ups. Okay. Find the bench like so. Continue to wear the bag. Keep on keeping that resistance and amplifying the workout. Let's go. There we go. Squeezing through the lower part of the chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got by 15 seconds rest. Then we're going to go into bag curls, okay? Once again with this workout, hold at the top nice and close. It's sort of like a hammer curl, so I want to keep this nice and close. Here we go. Tahi, rua, toru, pa. Ka pai, whānau. Let's go. 6 seconds to go. Hikina, let's go. 2, 1, ka pai. Next up we have close stance push-ups, okay? Put the bag back on. There we go. Close stance push-ups, and then we're going to go into tricep overhead extensions. There we go. Close stance push-ups. Go to the knees if you have to, whānau. Ka pai, there we go. Now moving into tricep overhead extensions and then into decline push-ups. Here we go. Get over the head. Focus on the triceps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ka pai. Ka But until you better, decline push-ups. Keep it going, whānau. We're past the halfway mark now. Decline push-ups, get into single arm rows. Here we go, decline push-ups. Let's go. Let's go. Touch the ground. Up. Touch the ground. Up. Touch the ground. Touch the ground. Up. Woo. 5, 9, 8 single arm rows. Now focusing on the back. Here we go, whānau. Keep it up. Awesome effort. Let's dig deep now. Let's go. Focusing on the lats now. Let's go. Tahi. 10 seconds. Keep at it. Goodbye. 15 seconds rest. On to the other side. Tamaituihi whānau. Keep it up. Chest, back, biceps, triceps. Killer workout, whānau. 2, 1. Let's go. 5. Get up. 2 seconds. Goodbye. Okay. Bag back on. Now focusing on push up, shoulder taps. Let's go. Breathe into your nose, out through the mouth. Let's go, whānau. Get up. See. Definitely feeling that one. You're now going into bent over rows, single arm curls, and close stance incline push-ups. Here we go. Pull to the upper back. 2, 3. Goodbye. There we go, 2 more exercises to go. Single arm curls, each side, then close stance incline push-ups. 1 round done, on to the next. All right, let's go. Let's go. Kick off, whānau. Let's go. Really feeling the fatigue right now. And that's the beauty of these types of workouts. High repetition, high volume, pushing so much blood flow into the muscles, okay? So you will fatigue a lot earlier, but hey, it's all about the burn, okay? Kapai whānau. Let's go. Squeeze. Up, squeeze. Squeeze. Up, squeeze. Good work. Kia kaha tātou. Up. 3 seconds. There we go. Close stance. Incline push-ups. Okay. Whew. Like I said, struggle whānau. Let's put in the bag on. There we go. Nice and close. Focusing on the triceps. Let's go. Tahi. Rua. Ema. Ono. Itu. Ora. Eya. Oh, there we go. Ka pai. Erima. Kia ora. Mauri ora. Round 1 done. That's it. We've got 1 more round to go, whānau. Dig deep, okay? Doing extremely well. Line lat pull downs, incline push-ups, bag curls, close stance push-ups. All of these exercises right here, These 11 exercises are there to, to really target the chest, your back, your biceps, and triceps. And all we need is 16, 17 minutes of your time. 16, 17 minutes of your time to be able to train effectively, get in a good workout, and then boom, rest of the day, enjoy it with your whānau. Rest of the day, making sure that you're eating quality proteins, carbs and fats, your macros and your micronutrients. Line that pull downs, let's go. Round 2. Squeeze. Squeeze. Woo. Bye. Bye. Bye, whānau. What's up next? Incline push-ups. Woo! After a while, you know, this bag right here is what, 12 kgs maybe, and just that extra 12 kgs is making the workout that much more difficult. Why not? Let's go. Incline push-ups. Squeeze through the chest. Push through the lower chest. Squeeze. Squeeze. Ka pai whānau. Excellent work. Let's go. Yeah. Cut by 15 seconds rest. Next up, bag, curls, double side. Okay, both hands. Bag curls. Let's go, whānau. Let's think deep. Time to work harder than ever. Let's go. Squeeze at the top. 6, come on. 5 seconds. Okay, close stance push-ups. Here we go, whānau. Let's go. Once again, if you do struggle with press-ups, go to your knees, okay? Let's go, whānau. Okay, tricep overhead extensions, and then decline push-ups, halfway. Let's kill those triceps. Let's go, whānau. 2, 3, 4, get the hop. 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Woo. Kapai, in decline push-ups. Favorite part of the session. Let's go. Let's stick deep. Decline push-ups. Let's go, whānau. Touch the ground. Touch the ground. Let's go. Woo! Single arm rows, back to this side. Okay, whānau. Now moving on to the back. From chest to back. Let's go. Tahi. Squeeze. Squeeze. You go, changing sides. Then push up, shoulder taps. Bag, bent over rows, single arm curls, and then close stance, incline push-ups. 3 seconds. Let's go, whānau. Let's go. Awesome effort today. 10 seconds. Come on. Dig deep. Okay, push up, shoulder taps. Let's go. go. Let's go, whānau. Ay. Ay. Oh. Oh. Ay. Ay. Woo. Ay. Okay. Back, bend to rows. 3 more exercises to go. Only 3 more to go, okay? Let's get it, whānau. Bend to rows, pulling to the upper back. Upper chest, sorry. Hey. Oh. Woo. Hey. By 9 single arm rows, single arm curls, each side, close stance, incline push-ups. That's a wrap. 2 exercises to go. Let's get it. Let's get it, whānau. Tahi. Woo. Oh boy. Also mahi whānau. Here we go. 10 seconds, breathe in through the nose. Out through the mouth. Haki roto. Haki waho. Let's go. Tahi anō ki tēnei taha. Woo. Oh yeah. Ka pai. Last and not least, close stance, incline, push-ups to wrap up another epic session. Ka pai. Let's sit deep. Last one, whānau. Last one. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go, whānau. There we go. That's a wrap. That's our workout for today. Another live session done. Dusted with you guys. 11 exercises, 20 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Okay. Putangi te Piri whānau. That is a wrap. Don't forget, whānau, keep it healthy. Make sure that you keep drinking an adequate amount of water, 3 to 4 liters of water a day, and getting your quality micronutrients, your fibrous carbohydrates, your greens, and also your macronutrients as well. Quality protein, quality carbs, quality fats. Ko tērā, Tiare Tawera, that's a wrap. Kia pai te rā whānau.